जब देखा तो उन्होंने कहा यहाँ पर कुंड बनाओ, ये तीर्थ स्थान है। तो पृथ्वी कुंड बनाया, इतना सुंदर पानी हुआ, सब स्वच्छ पानी को पी के और आनंद हुआ। अभी कलियुग में वो जो पृथ्वी कुंड है, वही कुंड में बल्लाल सेन अभी 500 साल पहले के बाद और पहले के बाद वहाँ पर राजा था, हिंदू राजा। तो उनका तो देहांत हो गया। उनका पुत्र लखन सेन ये दीर्घिका पृथ्वी कुंड जब लुप्त होने का मापिक हो गया, फिर वहाँ से एक तालाब तैयार किया। तालाब तैयार करके उसका नाम अपना पिता का नाम अनुसार रखा, बल्लाल दिघी। दिघी का मतलब तालाब, बल्लाल दिघी किया। इसलिए वही बल्लाल दिघी। और उनका बल्लाल ढीपी भी था। ढीपी का मतलब जो उनका मकान था, मकान का भग्नावशेष, मकान भंग गया, टूट गया, उसका अवशेष वो गवर्नमेंट से रखा है उसको। तो वहाँ पर हम लोग जाते नहीं, इसलिए वहाँ पर स्मृति का अपमान हुआ। मुसलमान लोग स्मृति का अपमान किया और उस स्थान को खराब किया, इसलिए हम लोग वहाँ नहीं जाते। कारण है, कारण दूर से हम लोग प्रणाम करते हैं। I could not narrate the glory of Ballal Dighi when we came out of Chaitanya Math, and after at the gate of Chaitanya Math, after we passed Chaitanya Math, we had one path to go to Murari Gupta through the field, paddy field, but we did not go there because that is not good. So we came by road, and that was Ballal Dighi, but that is now Ballal Dighi, but now it has been made a paddy land. Ballal Dighi previously in Satyayuga, it was Prithu Kunda. Prithu Maharaj made one kunda. Kunda means one lake like pond. Prithu Maharaj, when he was during the time of Satyayuga, that place was ups and downs. there are many earth hillock, not stone hillock. And he ordered that it should be made plain. And all his sevakas, servitors, he engaged there, laborers, he may say, or servitors, to make it plain. Then when they went to do it plain, when cutting the earth, at that time they saw bright flash of light. They were astonished where the light has come. So they reported the matter to Prithu Maharaj. Prithu Maharaj came, he also saw that bright flash of light. He was also astonished. Then he sat there to meditate, and he saw that place is the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He ordered to commemorate that place, to construct one kunda. Kunda means one pond. Kunda is a sacred name. A pond is kunda. The kunda, Prithu Kunda, the water was very good. Everybody was taking that water. But in Kali Yuga now, for lakhs of years after, that was going to be extinguished, going to be, that was out of sight. So Ballal Sen was the king in Kali Yuga, here, before the appearance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. A Hindu king was there. And after his disappearance, Lakshman Sen, he wanted to commemorate something.